Sarah Fortner here. Thanks so much for checking us out on Facebook. A quick video update for your Sunday night forecast. Precipitation starting to roll into central Arkansas as we speak. Going to tornado warnings starting to push into extreme southwest Arkansas. This does not include Texarkana at the moment, but it's very close.
Okay, and how long have you been ice skating? 30 minutes. Minutes, yes, I found all the rookies. Okay.
Red going away from radar and green going towards radar. So that's where we're looking at the potential rotation with the latest scan here. Storm going towards the north and east at about 30 miles per hour.
Curious about the roads and what the Arkansas Highway Department of Transportation is doing to keep us safe for tomorrow. That's where Danny Stracely is going to kind of join in on our conversation.
Day to start your week. I'm meteorologist Sarah Fortner from THV 11, obviously filling in for our chief meteorologist, Ed Buckner. Let's get to the skies of Little Rock right now because, of course, the travelers are in town. Doubleheader tonight started at 5:30. It's beautiful across the state. 68 degrees right now in Little Rock. West wind at 14 miles per hour. It is a little breezy for sure. Let's look at our current conditions now. Dew point is at 31, ladies. Other than the wind, Haircast today was pristine with dew points like that. The air very dry, feels like 68. Crystal blue skies with a lot of sunshine out there. You know, this got me thinking today, what would you rather be doing? If you were sitting in your office today looking out the window at the beautiful skies, what would you rather be doing? I asked you guys. We're getting social tonight. On Twitter, Zach said first, I'd rather be golfing. I like where his head's at. William said jeeping. Just being out in a Jeep. I think one of our producers, Martha Myrick, was doing that too, if you follow her on Twitter. And then also on Facebook, Carrie Beth says jogging the river trails because it's dry enough. It's not too humid yet. You can still run outside in the middle parts of the day. Keep your responses coming on Facebook, Twitter, and of course, you can always tag me on Instagram as well. What you're looking at now is the visible satellite, and I love it because it clearly shows there is nothing in the sky across the state. Your headlines do show a chilly night ahead, relatively quiet forecast. We've got a few rounds of rain though in the last week of April, but still nothing too concerning in that forecast. Tomorrow morning, we're going to be very cool, waking up in the mid to low 40s, maybe even cool enough to get out the door with a light jacket, but you'll lose it by midday because we're warming right back up into the upper 60s through your lunch hour and topping out on your Tuesday about around 71, 72 across central Arkansas. And you do see how on this map the colors are contrasted. They're green in the north, yellow in the south. That's because we do have a chance for a few showers in the northern tier of the state. Not thunderstorms, just showers. We'll have clouds roll in late afternoon. A few showers is blowing through northern Arkansas, but then a front's dropping through on Wednesday, bringing once again slightly cooler air. But I'm going to be watching to the south and west. We've got an area of low pressure kind of developing in the southern plains, giving them the chance for some severe weather. I think it's going to stay to the south and west of us though, and some clouds to wake up to or finish the day on Thursday rather. Tonight your low 47, clear and cool. Some of us will get down into the low 40s though. That northwest wind's going to calm down a little bit, 5 to 10 miles per hour instead of a breezy night. And tomorrow 72, a lot more sunshine with a few showers. Keep that in mind, mainly in the northern half of the state. Back to you.
To admit, with my parents and friends up in the Northeast getting blasted with the winter weather, I was kind of jealous, but now that I see it in our forecast, or at least the possibility of it, I'm not sure I want it, Sarah.
That's the kicker. Well, you know, tomorrow's Groundhog Day, so
Yeah.
I guess by then we'll all know what the next 6 weeks hold. But I have your forecast for the week ahead, Marley. So I've got to show you something, though. I've come out to the THV 11 Weather Garden, and we have got a Whoopig Suey pumpkin on the loose. Look at that. We've got things kind of blowing all over the place out here in the garden because look at your current conditions in Little Rock. 36, it feels 25. Things are getting real here. West-northwest wind at 22 miles per hour. We've had wind gusts recorded at 39 miles per hour. So that is why a lake wind advisory has been posted by the National Weather Service, which basically means you won't find your trash can tomorrow morning if you've got trash day for tomorrow. Look at these wind chill factors across the state. 24 in Jonesboro. Fayette chill is what I'm going to call it. Fayetteville coming in at 6 degrees is what it feels like outside right now. 24 in Little Rock. Hopefully you don't forget your coat leaving your Super Bowl parties. This is the scenario though. We've got that front that's passed. That's why it's so windy. That's why it's so cold outside. but it's going to continue to move towards the north and east. The backside of that has some snow. We did have a few tweets and Facebook posts earlier this evening about a few flurries there up near Fayetteville and Fort Smith, but right now we've got nothing. We're going to have clear skies really for the next 2 or 3 days. These are your forecast temperatures for that Monday morning. Those of you that are making it to work tomorrow, going to be cold getting out of bed. 27 in Searcy, 25 in Arkadelphia, not to mention the wind chill factors, most likely in the teens. By the afternoon, though, we're getting into the upper 30s and 40s, still well below normal for this time of year, 39 in Batesville tomorrow afternoon. So it will be significantly colder. But by Tuesday, this high pressure is going to move towards the east, adding our wind out of the south. And then I'm going to focus my forecasting attention on Wednesday night and Thursday, this area of low pressure that's going to be coming out of the plains with a little bit of moisture, a little bit of cold air. We're going to have to watch it closely for Wednesday and Thursday. 28 as your low temperature tonight. But like I said, it's going to be feeling more like 19 to 23 degrees. Northwest wind 10 to 25 miles per hour. And Marlisa, just for you, for Monday, your haircast. Not as windy, north 7 to 12 miles per hour.
Goodness.
No rain, but the dew point will be low, 12 to 16 degrees, which definitely means chapstick weather. Here's your extended forecast. 52 on Tuesday, 53 on Wednesday, so we'll be significantly colder. But like I said, Wednesday, Thursday, we're gonna have to watch this closely. Look at this really quickly. This is a long range model, so it is showing a little bit of snow there, possible late Wednesday night, early Thursday morning. But of course, long range means low confidence, so I do not give you permission to panic yet. The timing and amounts are still very uncertain at this point, but stay tuned as more data comes in. Marlisa, back to you.
A powerful